Hello everybody, this is Robert with Complete Truck Body out of Compton, California. We just finished this build for our friends at BP Ford of Long Beach, and I wanted to take you the specs. This is a 12-foot long, 6-inch body with 18-inch sides, fold down, actuated with this handle. We have a semi-automatic tarp from Pulltarps mounted on the truck to cover the load. And we have a Rugby dump hoist underneath, capable of 8 to 10 tons, and we have frame-mounted toolboxes. We'll raise it up and check it out. Now that we've got the vehicle running, I've opened the door and grabbed the pendant. We're going to go ahead and press up firmly to bring the dump body up. This vehicle, we can see, is utilizing a Rugby scissor hoist system backed by a 3-year warranty. And we can achieve a 45 up to a 50-degree angle with the way that this body and system is mounted. Now the vehicle's up, we can go ahead and see underneath. Whenever we walk underneath the dump truck, we always bring up the safety prop in the event that we have any incidents that occur with the hydraulic system. This is the power unit from Booker Hydraulics. This is your motor, this is your pump, and this is your reservoir. You can see we've got an inline fuse to protect against any short circuits. This here is your body up prop light, and on the inside of the dash here, there'll be a warning lamp to let you know that the dump is up. This is the actual hoist itself. This hoist model is capable of upwards of anywhere from 8 to 10 tons more than what the F550 can go ahead and handle on it safely and legally. This Rugby dump body is equipped with fold down sides, which allow for material to be loaded in from the side or allows for material to be offloaded from the side. There's a lot of versatility in this addition here. So with the tarp rope out of the way, we'll come over to this handle here. We'll pull it all the way back and we will fold it down. So now that we've got the side panel down right here, we can actually go ahead and check out the inside of the body. As we can see, now that the body side is down, we can see the inside of the body is completely flush, smooth, and has a heavy-duty floor to allow you to dump concrete, asphalt, riprap, whatever materials you want to go ahead and put in the vehicle. And then you can also load pallets and materials from the side. And you'll push that in right there. So Rugby has designed the Eliminator to utilize these easy latches, which allow you to go ahead and fold this out. And same thing there, which is going to allow you to go ahead and bring this tailgate down. Now that I have the tailgate down, you can go ahead and load into the rear, offload in the rear, or you can lift the body up to go ahead and dump. You're going to go ahead and, when opening the tailgate here, we're going to go ahead and adjust our chains to go ahead and meter the amount of item that we're going to dump out of it. Here we have chains that we can adjust as accordingly. If you'd like them to match, count the links. We'll come to the front here and undo the lock. Pull the lever down, which will allow us to release the lock on the bottom here. Front, and you'll see the latch engage and lock the tailgate in. Placing the safety ring back on the lock and going back to verify, lock. And finally, we have the semi-automatic pull tarp from Pulltarps. Here we have the hooks, so you can go ahead and wrap around the rope. We'll go ahead and remove the bungee, remove the rope. We'll walk it around, giving it slack as needed. We'll place it here in the rear, and then we'll pull. As we can see, the rollers on the side take the need, and we will make sure that it locks back in correctly. Back. So, as we can see, the spring will automatically pull it in to stow it. And now the tarp is stowed. And that's it. This is your dump truck from Rugby, purchased with Complete Truck Body Repair, and then sold by BP Ford of Long Beach.